Hi friends, Kerala PSC Mechanical Objectives Operator, Kerala Water Authority 119/2015 പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിന്റെ മൂന്നാം ഭാഗമാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 31 മുതലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. The warpage of machined face of cylinder block and cylinder head can be checked with dial gauge, telescopic gauge, straight edge, trammel. The right answer is option C, straight edge. The test for finding the chemical conditions of the positive and negative battery plate is open valve test, high discharge test, specific gravity test, cadmium test. And the right answer is option D, cadmium test. The leaf springs are connected to axial beam by means of U-bolt, shackle, central bolt, shackle pin. The right answer is option A, U-bolt. 34th question. The angle between kingpin center line and vertical in the plane of wheel is called steering axe inclination, kingpin inclination, caster, and camber. And the right answer is option C, caster. Wear on tire is more on one side is due to incorrect camber angle, low tire pressure, high tire pressure, sudden acceleration. And the right answer is option A, incorrect camber angle. Useful power obtained at the engine flywheel is called indicated power, frictional power, mechanical advantage, brake power. And the right answer is option D, brake power. The nozzle valve in the injector unit is lifted off from its seat by spring pressure, high pressure diesel, spindle pressure, compression pressure. The right answer is option B, high pressure diesel. 38th question നോക്കാം. FIP is driven by crankshaft gear, distributor shaft, camshaft screw gear, camshaft gear. And the right answer is option D, camshaft gear. Which among the following tool is suitable for inserting piston with rings into the engine cylinder? Screwdriver, piston ring expander, piston ring compressor, all of the above. And the right answer is option C, piston ring compressor. The boiling point of the coolant in coolant system is raised by pressure cap, pump casing, thermostat valve, radiator. And the right answer is option A, pressure cap. 41st question. Wheatstone bridge works on the principle of Ohm's law, Kirchhoff law, Joule's law, Faraday's law. The right answer is option B, Kirchhoff law. In DC machines for more voltage, usually winding is done in lap winding, double layer winding, wave winding, concentric winding. The right answer is option C, wave winding. 43th question നോക്കാം. The curve representing Ohm's law is a parabola, line function, linear, hyperbola. And the right answer is option C, linear. 44th question. The capacity of a lead acid cell is usually expressed in ampere hour, voltage, watt, ampere. And the right answer is option A, ampere hour. The output voltage of ignition coil in an automobile is given to battery, distributor, headlight, spark plug. The right answer is option D, spark plug. When power factor is unity, the phase angle between the voltage and current is 45 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, 0 degree. And the right answer is option D, 0 degree. Next question. In a water turbine alternator, the speed will be low, medium, high, very high. The right answer is option A, low. The speed of a DC series motor is dangerously high at no load because back EMF is high, armature voltage is low, flux is very low, armature current is high. The right answer is option C, flux is very low. Which caliper is used for scribing line along curved edges? Inside caliper, outside caliper, spring joint caliper, Jenny caliper. The right answer is option D, Jenny caliper. This is not the reason for no light from the bulb in an automobile lighting system. Overcharged battery, defective light switch, fused bulb, blown fuse. And the right answer is option A, overcharged battery.